Good morning. Happy Friday to you. How did you manage through the week? As you can see, I'm sick. I had just enough energy this morning to get to my computer, check my emails, do a little social media marketing, and now I'm sitting here able to, talk to you a little bit, see how your Christmas was. Do you have plans for New Year's, and what are you projecting for 2025? I don't know what it was. Last Friday night I started to get sick. Slept all day Sunday. Laid around mostly all day Sunday. Went into the outside gig Sunday night. Went into work on Monday. Monday kicked all of our rears. And then by the time I was done doing any shopping on Monday night, I came home and started getting sick. And if anybody knows me, I just try to fight right through it till the body says, you're done, you're not doing anymore. But I'm Kitryn Marie. I do reside in St. Louis, Missouri. I'm an artist, a writer, speaker, life and a business coach, do content creating, try to do brand ambassadoring for certain products. Not so much leaning in the affiliate marketing because there are a lot of catches that go with the affiliate marketing. Teach art classes based in psychology and life coaching. Not a doctor, not a psychologist, not a psychiatrist. I have taken classes and I have applied them to my art classes in order for you, my clients, my customers, my students to live a much better life. And if you have the privilege to being in my outside gig and I am serving you some good food and beverage, odds are I'm going to talk you to death. It's about being good at what you do, having a personality behind, to kind of back up to make some income. And those are things I also teach in my business coaching class. It is a full-rounded business that I do. But how you feeling? What's your plan for New Year's Eve? What are you doing? I will be home here. When am I going back to my outside gig? Sunday night, and then I'll work Monday, Tuesday, and then I will have off on New Year's Day, hoping to meet up with my oldest for our Christmas. Christmas was very quiet this year. With being sick, there wasn't a whole lot to do other than I forced myself to make lasagna and a pulled pork, so that way we had a very nice meal for the holiday. What about you? What did you eat? What was your plan, and did it go accordingly? Let's see how this filter works with. Not bad. They're getting better with these filters. And mostly I do look like this, except I don't have a full face of makeup on typically. But what's new? As a small business owner, what are you hoping for next year? Been looking really into marketing trends. What will small businesses be needing in order to boost their revenue and to gain more clients and to keep the clients, customers that they have? It has said that most small businesses, some may benefit from AI and then some may not. Because with AI, you don't know what is real. You don't know really what you're seeing to be truths. And when you take your small business and you give that mom and pop approach, you are getting back to the basics, being authentic to why you even started your business. I talk about that a lot. How unique are you to your story? And the why to your story. And does your story change as you progress? You will always have a backstory. You will always have those moments in your past that built a different version of you. It's how you take that better version of who you've become and how you can apply it with a very logical practicum to how you are participating in your own business. It is difficult to be your own promoter, to be your own PR person, your own salesperson, especially when you have a business that is hands-on. I teach art. Those are my paintings. That one, that one, that one over there. I teach group painting lessons. I do private lessons too, but mostly group painting lessons. I teach how to put a vision board together. As an instructor, being a speaker, standing in front of you, I'm relaying a message on how you can open flaps, how you can change your mindset so you can see the way that you have thought on certain patterns because of you being a product of your environment or because of the social, situations that you've got yourself in. You need to address, have you progressed with where you are and who you're with? As a business owner, who are your clients? And are you serving them based on their needs and not on your ego? Or based on, hey, look at me. I laugh, and I will use this till the day I die. At 116, I was accused of, oh, you girls so into yourself, because I maintain my health. I maintain my image. I maintain the way that I speak and the way that I write. I am well versed in a variety of topics and subjects where I have been able to monetize what I know and turn around and teach it. Now, if that makes me vain, then so be it. But if it makes me a person that has multi-gifts and multi-talents that I am trying to share with whomever so they can live a better life, so they can have fun, so they can learn how to be creative, so they can bring more into their life for a higher purpose with a better mission, then so be it. Oh, us girls who are so into ourselves. It is those people that always choose the lesser of. Content creator, I always say the clearance rack. It is those that choose those that don't know how to stand out, who don't know how to speak for themselves. The lesser of, in order to allow them to feel better about themselves. When I was writing yesterday on my blog, Pretty in Pink, Perfect in Paisley, I referred to a situation, a topic as the pick and pull. You get to a point in your life and you just feel it's too late and you're too old and you just choose whatever is right there. You are picking and you are pulling the last. Not necessarily always the trash, but you are picking and pulling what everybody else has used and discarded. And when you are talking about your business and you are talking about growth and you are talking about elevating your lifestyle, you want someone to match your energy. You want someone who is going to offer that reciprocity, giving back and forth, helping you not only become a better person, but if you have a business, they are speaking for you. They are hands-on participating in what you do because it benefits the both of you. What am I projecting for 2025? I believe in the next couple weeks I will be stepping into another type of a role for my outside gig. That position has not been yet quite defined, but I'm looking forward to it. You will be seeing me more online. You will see me hopefully teaching more classes. I want to get my camera back out. I want to do some traveling. I'm still in the process of looking for a vehicle. There are all kinds of things that are coming about for 2025. It's about how you can be authentic to who you are, being unique to your own story, telling a new version of who you've become on that backstory that no longer matters. Know your worth. Know where you want to go in life. Have a plan. Play it out in your head like a movie, because it behooves you to see it in action in order for you to have that hands-on approach while you're doing what you love to do, making money through a passionate entity. But I'm Kitryn Marie, an artist, writer, speaker, life, and a business coach. Take care. Enjoy.